Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue with Zendesk. The automatic provisioning of user to Zendesk failed. Invalid role, ticket restriction combination error. First, let me quickly explain what causes this error. It happens when the ticket access restrictions setting for a user is not correct. For a user with the end user role, this setting needs to be either requested or organization. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Okta admin console. Go to the dashboard, then click on Tasks. Here find the user in question and the task that didn't work. There will be an Edit Assignment option next to it. Click on that. In the assignment, you'll see the user's role is set to End User, but the ticket access restrictions might be set to All. That's what's causing the problem. Change the ticket access restrictions to either Requested or Organization. After you've made this change, don't forget to click Save Assignment and retry. Next, we need to check if everything's working. Go to Applications, then Applications again. Here, search for the Zendesk app and click on it. Next, on the Assignments tab, look for the user and click the pencil icon to edit. Make sure the external ID is correctly assigned to the user. Lastly, in the Zendesk admin dashboard, double-check that the user has been successfully provisioned, and that's it. You've successfully fixed the provisioning error in Zendesk. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.